Hey my love, so it's quite late right now and I'm quite tired and I don't know why I'm filming this because I look horrible right now, but I decided to do it and film it. So if it turns out decent, I'll post it and you can be a guest at the journey of something that I don't know how it will turn out, but I want to try it out. So what I'm basically going to do, I have some Bellamy hair extensions here, which I haven't used for a while now, a long while I think, like more than a year. So yeah, and I don't have black hair anymore, and they're quite thin for giving length. So what I want to do is to rough cut them to the low length I have right now, bleach them and then tone them to match my current hair color, and then cut it again so it blends well with my hair and show you how I install them. So wish me good luck. So yeah, basically this is the bleach powder and this is the developer. It's 20 volume, but they told me that it works like 6, so it won't be too damaging. And I have a bowl and a brush whisk here, so let's do it. Done bleach all over, and you need to do these kind of movements so every single strand of the hair will get the bleach. And I also put bleach here in the weft so it will get a little bit lighter as well, I hope. Okay, let's see. Okay, I'll do the same with all the hair wefts and leave it for 30 or 40 minutes in a wrap, and we'll see how it gets after that. 30 minutes. I know it's not showing well on the camera, but almost all the hair are this color, like brownish color, which is what I'm looking for, so I don't want to over bleach it. So I'm going to wash it off and then show you how I do. Okay, so I'm not sure if you can see through the camera, but it's brownish now, not black, and I want to tone it and I want as little mess as it's possible. So I'm just taking the toner, putting the hair in a plastic bag, applying the toner and just mixing it all up and leaving for like 20 minutes or so. Hey there, so it's the next morning, super early, so I'm trying to keep it low. And so basically I left them air dry during the night. I don't know if you can see the color, but it's quite similar to what I have, though it's wet, so you won't be able to see it quite well. I don't know why they aren't dry yet, because they've been sitting all night, but anyway, maybe it will help me to cut them properly. So what you need to do now is to know which weft goes where, because the lower wefts are going to be shorter than the higher ones. So yeah, no braining. On the lower part I don't want much, so I'm going to take the free weft one, this one, and keep here, and then up with the 4-1 here next with the 2-1, so it will be like here all around, and the other 4-1 with, where the hell it is, and the other full one with the other two one just in here. So yeah, let's install. Oh, okay, the lighting is horrible because it's still darker outside, but as you can see my hair looks very full. I just rough blow dried it and clipped in the extensions, but the haircut looks quite rough, and I hope that styling it will bring it to life. Let's go put some. Okay guys, so basically this is it. My hair look super full. It never looked this full ever, and I'm super pleased. So yeah, I think it blends quite well. So I'll go to work now and see if anyone notices.